Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Echin Gourmet. It's me Nada. Today I'll be making one of the most popular Pakistani recipe, restaurant style, amazing Shinwari Mutton Karahi at home. But before that, make sure to click the subscribe button and push on the notification bell on. For Karahi, I use 300 grams of mutton. Make sure to thoroughly wash it with vinegar, then add it to the pan and add 2.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, then cover and cook until the water dries out completely. Once all the water has evaporated, add in half a cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute the meat on medium-high heat for 5 minutes. Now you can cook the meat in pressure cooker as well, but I wanted to make it the authentic restaurant style, just how they make it in Pakistan, in those large karahis. Next in, you're gonna add 2 chopped green chilies and some thinly sliced ginger. Add in 4 to 5 tomatoes and 1 cup of yogurt. You can adjust the amount of yogurt according to how much gravy you need. Now give it a good mix, cover and let it simmer for 30 minutes. After half an hour, tomatoes will get tender. Remove all of the skin and mash them up. Once you're done mashing the tomatoes and you've got a lovely gravy consistency, add in half a teaspoon of salt or to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now stir well. You can add a little bit of water if needed. Let it simmer for another 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is completely tender and the oil separates from gravy. Make sure to cook on medium-low heat. And beautiful restaurant style Shinwari Mutton Karahi is ready. Garnish it with some green chilies and julienne ginger. Serve it hot along with some naan, roti or paratha and enjoy. This is such a simple recipe. It doesn't require a lot of spices. Even a beginner could easily make it. You don't need to add any red chili powder or turmeric. You only need 2 basic simple spices, and that is salt and pepper. Trust me guys, it turned out extremely flavorful. Let me show you how tender the meat is. Okay, it was extremely hot, which is why my hands are shaking, so ignore that. But just look at the beautiful mutton, how tender and juicy it looks. Dip it in the flavorful tomato gravy and just devour all of that. I hope you like this restaurant style Pakistani Shinwari Mutton Karahi recipe. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you do give this delicious recipe a try. Until next time, happy cooking!